Hello guys, so in this video we will discuss the problem that you might be facing with Android Studio where it displays the message of no Android SDK found. So let's start with the Android Studio. So this is the start menu of the Android Studio. Now if you click on create new project, it gives you this pop-up window where it tells you that your SDK is missing and out of date or corrupted. So when you click on open SDK manager, it directs you to this window where it tells you that Android SDK location cannot be at the file system root, whatever that means. When you click on edit, it directs you to the download window and where it tells you that target folder is neither empty nor does it point to an existing SDK location. So I guess it would download some components. When you click on next and next again, it starts to download something, but the thing is it won't actually download anything, even if you wait for quite a while. I've done it. So when you click on cancel and finish, you're again redirected to here. So click on cancel. Well, this is saying that it is not able to locate that SDK folder within your system. But the thing is, if you actually look out for that folder in C drive and users, in Dell, in app data, in local folder, then in Android. So there it is. The SDK folder is actually present in your system, and it does contain some of the components here. For some reason, it isn't able to locate this folder. So what you want to do is go to the startup menu and click on the configure button, and in that click on default project structure. So this is the window that you will get where you have to give some path to Android SDK location. Click on 3 dots here. Then it will automatically send you to this, point out this SDK folder, and click on that. So now what you want to do is create a new folder and name it platforms, PLATFORMS. Okay, so it has been created. Press OK again, and we'll give you this message where SDK does not get any platform. Click on OK again, and click on cancel. Click on 3 dots again. SDK. Now you click on SDK. As you can see, the platform folder has been created, and won't give you that message again. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now create the new project, and here we go. You can go ahead with Android Studio development. So I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.